Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake button mushroom with cheese. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: button mushrooms, cheese. Baking bowl cover with baking paper. Remove button mushrooms from can. Wash and pat dry button mushrooms. Sliced button mushroom. Seasoning: Cajun seasoning powder, pinch of salt, herbs. Place handful of cheese. Button mushroom is ready to bake. Roast for 20 minutes. Button mushroom condition after roasted for 15 minutes. Baked cheese mushroom is ready to be eaten. Mushroom taste great as it can be eaten as side or alone as snacks. I found some information about button mushrooms on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Button mushrooms are considered a healthy food choice. They offer several nutritional benefits, including being low in calories, a good source of vitamins such as B vitamins and vitamin D, minerals such as selenium and potassium, and antioxidants. What organ is mushroom good for? Benefits of mushrooms may include plant source of vitamin D, contain immune modulating nutrients, may be beneficial for the management of neurodegenerative conditions, may be helpful in maintaining heart health, may support gut health. How much mushroom can I eat a day? Researchers have found that incorporating any variety of mushrooms into your daily diet will lower your risk of cancer by as much as 45%. How many mushrooms do you need to eat? The recommended amount is as few as 2 medium per day. Individuals with some bleeding disorders, such as hemophilia, in which the blood doesn't clot as it should, or individuals who undergo surgery may experience an increased risk of bleeding when taking reishi mushrooms. People who are pregnant or breastfeeding should also avoid reishi mushrooms as well, as more research is needed to determine their safety in these situations. 1-OF. You should not eat raw button mushrooms because they contain a toxin called agarotine that may be carcinogenic. However, cooking mushrooms at a temperature of at least 1-OF destroys this toxin. Here are some other things to know about mushrooms. Amanita phalloides, also known as the death cap, this mushroom is extremely poisonous and can be fatal to multiple people. Fresh mushrooms. Fresh mushrooms are firm, dry, smooth, and have an earthy smell. Bad mushrooms. Bad mushrooms may be mushy, slimy, sticky, shriveled, discolored, or moldy, and may smell unpleasant. Edible mushrooms. Some safe edible mushrooms include chanterelles, oyster mushrooms, chicken of the woods, hen of the woods, king bolete, lion's mane, and puffball mushrooms. Is it safe to eat button mushroom stems? The stems of white button, cremini, portobello, oyster, and king oyster mushrooms are entirely edible and bursting with savory goodness. These tasty stems add texture and depth to your dishes, allowing you to enjoy the whole mushroom with every delightful bite. Mushrooms can be fried with Chinese cabbage, but not with eggplant, as this will cause poisoning. When blanching mushrooms, add garlic. If the garlic changes color, it is poisonous and cannot be eaten. Also, mushrooms should never be eaten with millet or rhubarb rice, as this will produce a toxin that cannot be cured in the hospital and can have serious consequences. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you, yeah. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.